Welcome to the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse RS. The Traverse RS is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here, power windows, locks, mirrors, automatic headlights. You do have your leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, push-button ignition. We have dual-zone climate control with heated seating there as well. Your 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have your automatic shift and knob, wireless charging pad, 4-wheel drive settings with the Traverse drivetrain, and a camera in the rear view mirror, all black dash, Bose audio, and our heated leather RS branded seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Traverse, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful black alloy wheel with the Continental all-season tire, keyless entry on all 4 doors, color match door handles, blacked out Traverse badging, color match mirror caps with an LED stripping camera system. Coming down to the front of the Chevrolet Traverse, we have LED daytime running lamps, RS branded front grille with the camera system, black chrome accents, and black bow tie. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back of the Traverse, we have the LED brake lights with our dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow package, backup camera, and power adjustable tailgate. Taking a quick look at the interior here, second row captain's chairs, both are car seat ready as well as leather. We do have our 60-40 split third row, both end seats car seat ready as well. Over top, a black headliner with LED lighting and a massive dual panel sunroof system. Rear climate, USB ports, and an outlet in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Traverse. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.